Hey there, Easy Blade team. First off, congrats on earning the Amazon's Choice badge. That already shows strong trust from Amazon, and especially at how competitive the category is. Now, quick question. Your listing is already getting visibility through ads, but are you fully turning that into organic ranking? My name is Gabe from My Amazon Guy, and I was reviewing your Easy Blade shaving gel. And what stood out right away is that you're already getting traction, but not fully maximizing it. Now, quick context. Your listing is doing about $1,911 in a 30-day revenue with 191 units sold, together with a 4.5 star rating. So clearly, the product has steady demand and strong conversion. Now, let's talk about your listing health score as well. Since we're here, you have a 6.8 health score. Reason behind that one is because you only have as well two images instead of having seven or more. So you can add more pictures that has info as well, probably the ingredients, the nutrients as well, whatever makes your product, right? At the same time, you only have 27 characters instead of having 150 or more in your title. So with your title characters or your title, this definitely helps with conversion as well. Now let us talk about your keyword distribution here. Right now you have 361 organic keywords with 49 paid keywords. Okay, so here at my Amazon guy, we usually aim for what we call 1:2 golden keyword ratio, which means for every one paid keyword, we want about two organic keywords supporting it. So your structure is solid, which means the foundation is already there. Now, this is where things gets interesting. Okay, your keyword here, these are the top keyword phrases. Okay, the keyword shave gel is being searched 12,627 times per month, and you do rank 59 in sponsored and 98 in organic. So that's what I mentioned. This is where things gets interesting because you're already getting the traction in ads and in organic, but we could strike this ranks down, push you closer to the page one. We could rank these keywords probably on the 20th or even on the top 10, right? So let us clear the gap there. Okay, Amazon is already testing your product through ads, but organically it is also still ranking behind. But with strike zone, the what we call the strike zone opportunities, we can bring this numbers down. Now let's look at this keyword on Amazon with the help of our tool X-Ray. Okay, there you go. So you can see that um, with this keyword, with a single keyword shave gel, you can see that sellers here are generating a solid amount of revenue. Okay. So remember, this is only one keyword and they have a 4.9 total, a 4.9 million total revenue and an 81,000 average revenue. Okay. So clearly there's traffic there. The question becomes how do we get more of that traffic, right? While we push your ranking closer to page one. Now, I also pulled up a competitor of yours, but not to compare the product, but to talk more about the word frequency. Word frequency here is the top keywords that are being used. So we can send this one to you, the top keywords that are being used, that are working for them as well. Okay, I can send this one to you for free once we jump on a quick call. Now, your listing already has its Amazon's Choice badge, and I can see here that you're missing your A plus content. So, an A plus content would look like something like this. Okay, there you go. So this is the A plus content. It has more information about the product, and it also has a brand story that allows your customer to read throughout the pages here. Okay, that helps build conversion as well. Now, what we would like to improve next is strengthen your keyword targeting, improve your back end keyword coverage, and push organic ranking for main keywords. So your listing already has strong rating, trust signals, and working paid visibility. The next move is turning that into a stronger organic ranking and doing a strike zone opportunity. Okay. So here at my Amazon guy, we manage over 400 brands and millions in monthly ad spend. So again, I'd be happy to send you as well those top keywords that your competitors are using. Okay. So if you found this video helpful, Click the link below, book a meeting. There's no commitment. We want to talk more about the opportunities throughout your listing. Let's have a conversation about it. All right, me and the team is excited to talk to you soon.